Here I have a remote control for the fireplace. I found I couldn't control the fireplace. So the problem could be this remote controller or the fireplace. So in this video, I'm just going to show how to test this remote controller. And we have a LED. This is infrared. And if we press the button, we won't be able to see the light. But this camera, I'm using a Panasonic video recorder. And if we press the button, we can see the light flashing. And also try the iPhone. So this is a iPhone 6. And we try this iPhone camera. And you can see we have the remote controller under the iPhone. If I press the button, you can't see the flash. So the iPhone camera can't detect the flash of the infrared. And this camera can. And this is an iPhone 5. You can see this is my remote controller under the front, in front of the iPhone 5 camera. If I press the button, no flashing can be seen. This is a Samsung S6, and we have a camera here. You can see the camera, and this is my remote control. And I put it in front of camera. If I press the button, you can see the flash. So S6 can see the infrared LED flashing. Here I have a Samsung J1, and we have the camera here. So now we have the remote controller in front of the Samsung J1 camera, and we press the button. Here we can see a little bit. You can see some light. Not flashing at the S6, but we can still see light. This is a Samsung J1. Let's try the S6. You can see there's more flash on here. So this is a S6. So it's a stronger flash. And this is the Samsung J1. You can still see, but not that strong as the S6. So this is how you can test your remote controller, whether the remote controller is working, emitting infrared lights from its LED, infrared LED. Then you can repair the other side of your device. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.